Hello everyone, welcome back to our crochet channel. Today we're making this cute party pig, perfect as decor, a keychain, or a handmade gift. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to support us. Prepare 4mm yarn and a 5mm crochet hook, and watch till the end to motivate us to create more tutorials. For round 1, make a magic ring, crochet 7 single crochets, then slip stitch to close the round. Take your time here and keep the ring tight for a neat center. You're off to a great start. Next, round 2, chain 1. Increase in every stitch, making 7 increases, then slip stitch. Keep counting your stitches carefully, you're doing amazing already. For round 3, chain 1, repeat 1 single crochet and 1 increase around, then slip stitch. The circle is getting bigger, nice and even. Keep going. Round 4, chain 1, repeat single crochet, increase single crochet around, then slip stitch. A small tip here, using a stitch marker can really help you stay on track. From rounds 5 to 10, crochet the same as the previous rounds. Just follow the chart on the screen, and you're doing great. For round 11, chain 1, crochet 11 single crochets, 6 increases, 6 single crochets, 6 increases, and 11 single crochets, then slip stitch. This round helps shape the face, so take it slow and enjoy the process. Rounds 12 to 14, chain 1, crochet 52 single crochets in each round, then slip stitch. Always double check your stitch count, you're doing great. Round 15, chain 1, crochet 11 single crochets, 6 decreases, 6 single crochets, 6 decreases, and 11 single crochets, then slip stitch. The head is starting to close nicely. Keep going. For round 16, chain 1, repeat 3 single crochets and 1 decrease 8 times, then slip stitch. Make your decreases tight for a clean finish. Round 17, chain 1, repeat single crochet, decrease, single crochet 8 times, then slip stitch. You're almost there, great job. Round 18, chain 1, repeat single crochet and decrease 8 times, then slip stitch. At this point, attach the eyes and stuff the head firmly but gently so it keeps a nice shape. For round 19, chain 1, crochet 8 decreases, then slip stitch to close. Congratulations, the pig's head is finished. For rounds 1 to 5, crochet the same as the pig head. You already know these steps, so crochet with confidence. Round 6, chain 1, repeat 4 single crochets and 1 increase around, then slip stitch. Keep your tension even so it fits perfectly. Round 7, chain 1, repeat 1 single crochet, 3 double crochets, skip 1 stitch, and slip stitch around, then slip stitch to finish. This creates a cute decorative edge. Beautifully done. For round 1, make a magic ring with 6 single crochets, then slip stitch. Small pieces take patience, and you're doing great. Round 2, chain 1, crochet 6 single crochets, then slip stitch. Don't crochet too tightly here. Round 3, chain 1, repeat 2 single crochets and 1 increase twice, then slip stitch. The hat is starting to take shape. From rounds 5 to 10, crochet the same as the previous rounds. Just follow the chart on the screen, and you're doing great. For round 1, make a magic ring and crochet 6 single crochets. Cute ears start small. Round 2, chain 1, crochet 6 increases. Keep your stitches soft for a natural curve. Round 3, chain 1, crochet 12 single crochets, then finish off. Make 2 identical ears. Great job! For the snout, chain 4, skip 1 chain, single crochet, make a W stitch, single crochet, then make an increase and slip stitch to finish. This small detail really brings your pig to life. And here is your adorable party pig. Thank you so much for crocheting along with us. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, share, and subscribe to support our channel. Watching the full video really helps us stay motivated to create more fun crochet projects for you. See you in the next tutorial. Happy crocheting!